demonstrations. Today, we're going to cook some beautiful salmon, but not just on the traditional Crossroad barbecue that I have been cooking for a long time. We've got a brand new one here from Heat Strip, and that's the small, compact, electric one. This one here is a fantastic little unit. It's been warming up now for a few minutes for me to get ready to cook our beautiful salmon, but it's got a beautiful temperature gauge on top as well as the low and high on-off switch here, as well as a timer. The timer is used to both monitor your cooking, but also as a security feature to turn off if you walk away and you forget accidentally to turn off your Crossroad barbecue. So today, we're going to cook, as we said, we're outdoors, we've got some flies around, but we'll keep them moving. Some beautiful, fresh Atlantic salmon that was provided to us by our fishmonger at Preston Market, Upsaras, and we're going to thank him for that as well. We're going to have some asparagus and a bit of mixed lettuce to complement our beautiful fish, and of course, some salt and some lemon. I'll show you how we're going to cook it straight after this break. To prepare your salmon, you've got your two pieces there. Make sure your fishmonger takes out the bones, or as many as you can, and then just make sure you put a little bit of lavaki, a little bit of olive oil, just underneath and on top, just like this, to paste it and get it ready for your grill. And of course, don't forget, like I always kept telling you guys, make sure you always put a little bit of olive oil on your fish, and make sure that your grill is on high and it's nice and warm, and extra hot I should say, not just warm, because you don't want to you want to protect your skin. You want to make sure the skin of your fish sears immediately, so it doesn't get damaged when you're trying to turn it over. So there we are. We're going to put them on now. These pieces are around 300 grams each, and they're going to take around 3 or 4 minutes on either side to cook. So we're just going to put them like that, straight on the Crossroad barbecue. And at the same time, we're going to add our asparagus on the back, just like that on the hot plate. We'll grab a little olive oil as well for that, and we'll put on top of that like this. And there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Hear that. Here it goes. Fantastic. A bit of salt. Like that. On our fish as well. Beautiful. We'll close the lid and come back in around 3 or 4 minutes and turn over our salmon and check and see how our asparagus is going. We're back now. It's been around 4 minutes. Let's see how our beautiful asparagus and our salmon is going. And I did say earlier, as long as you make sure that you have a little bit of oil on your salmon, and also you have your grill on high, look at that, you'll be able to turn it over without damaging your skin. And that is the trick, and that is a little secret from Jack the Greek. And the asparagus, you can see, I've been mixing it around a little bit. It is just about ready to go. This fish won't need more than around about 2 minutes now, just to brown up. It is getting pink all the way through, so it should be ready to go as I'm plating up. So we'll go over here, we'll bring up our salad. I'm just going to put a salad just over here. Just a little bit of lettuce. We're going to make a little bit of our own traditional salad here. Just mix it up a little bit with a bit of olive oil, just there. We've got some beautiful red wine vinegar, Faros, just here as well. There we go, bit of vinegar. And of course, we've got to put a little bit of salt, don't we? Always. There we go. So there's our salad. We've got our salad ready to go. We'll grab our asparagus now. We'll place that next to us. There we go. And there, look at that. Beautiful. We've got our asparagus there. We'll just turn it over like that. Beautiful. Always got to have some vegetables. And of course, we'll have a look now at our beautiful fish. And there it is there. Look at that. Beautiful. Our beautiful salmon for two, straight on the platter, cooked on the Crossroad barbecue in around 10 minutes. What can I say? It's beautiful, fantastic. You're gonna ask, why is the lemon here? Why is the salad still up? Well, the salad, we're finished, but of course the lemon, a little bit of lemon zest on top, just like this. Beautiful. And of course, cut some of the lemon, just put it next to it, just like this. Oh, there it goes, nearly falls over, just like that. There we go. And once again, we have a fantastic meal, cooked in around 10 minutes, on the Crossrail Barbecue by Heat Strip by Jack the Greek. Obas.